All of us do not have an equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. Never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place. That is the unique you. Have an aim in life, continuously acquire knowledge, work hard, and have perseverance to realize the great life. Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of our career. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. You are born with wings, don't crawl. Learn to use them to fly and fly. All birds find shelter during the rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. Don't read success stories, you will get the only message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to get success. If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. You have to dream before your dream can come true. Be active, take on responsibility, work for the things you believe in. If you do not, you are surrendering your fate to others. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. Success is when your signature turns into your autograph. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Creativity is seeing the same thing but thinking differently. Love your job but don't love your company, because you may not know when your company stops loving you. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. Your best teacher is your last mistake. While children are struggling to be unique, the world around them is trying all means to make them look like everybody else. The dream is not that which you see while sleeping, it is something that does not let you sleep. We should not give up, and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. Unless India stands up to the world, no one will respect us. In this world, fear has no place. Only strength respects strength. Thinking is the capital, and enterprise is a way, and hard work is the solution. One best book is equal to 100 good friends, but one good friend is equal to a library. The essence of a happy life and a peaceful society lies in one sentence: what can I give? Excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. I am not a handsome guy, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help. Beauty is in the heart, not in the face. No sanction can stand against ignited minds. Life is a difficult game. You can win it only by retaining your birthright to be a person.